Hello everyone. In our last video we have discussed about find odd one out. In this video we are going to discuss name the following. So the first question is, I am a connecting link between reptiles and mammals. Who am I? So the connecting link between reptiles and mammals is known as duck-billed platypus. The organism named as duck-billed platypus is the connecting link between reptiles and mammals. Second question, who is the pioneer of modern genetics? So the scientist named as George Gregor Mendel is known as a pioneer of modern genetics. So the answer is Gregor Mendel, John Gregor Mendel. Question number 3, which process is shown in the following diagram? If we can observe here the diagram, you can see RNA polymerase and RNA nucleotides. So this diagram is of transcription. So here it is given that this diagram is of transcription. Next, fourth question is, in which book Darwin has published this theory of natural selection? Means the book named as Origin of Species, Darwin has published his work of natural selection. So the name of book is Origin of Species. Question number 5. Which process is shown in the given diagram? So here you can see the main sequence and the replacement of sequence. Here you can see the main sequence and here the replacement of the sequence. So this diagram belongs to the mutation. So the answer is mutation is shown in the given diagram. Next, sixth number question. Name the part shown in the diagram. So the part which is shown in the diagram is vestigial organ of our body named as wisdom teeth. So these are the wisdom teeth. Next, seventh number question. Hormones related to male reproductive system. So the hormones related to male reproductive systems are FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone, and testosterone. So the hormones which belongs or related to male reproductive system are FSH, LH, testosterone. Full form of FSH is follicle stimulating hormone and LH luteinizing hormone. Next, 8th number question. Modern technologies in reproduction. So the modern technologies in reproduction is in vitro fertilization, surrogacy, sperm bank, etc. So the techniques in reproduction is IVF, in vitro fertilization, surrogacy, and sperm bank. Now, 9th number question. Hormone secreted by the ovary of the female reproductive system. So the hormone which is secreted or secreted by the ovary of female reproductive system is estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen and progesterone are the two main hormones which are secreted by the ovary of female reproductive system. Now 10th number question is, the electric power station based on thermal energy. So the electric power station based on thermal energy is Vidyanagar, Mundra, Tamnar and Chandrapur. Vidyanagar, Mundra, Tamnar and Chandrapur. 11th number question, nuclear power plants in India. So if we are going to talk about the nuclear power plants, then Tarapur in Maharashtra, Kalapakkam in Tamil Nadu, Kakrapar in Gujarat, Narora in Uttar Pradesh and Kaiga in Karnataka. So these are the nuclear power plants in India. Next question, 12th number question. Major hydroelectric power plants in India. So the hydroelectric power plants in India is Tehri, Koyna, Srisailam, Natpa, Zakri. Tehri, Koyna, Srisailam, Natpa and Zakri. These are the major hydroelectric power plants in India. Next, 13th number question is forms of energy. So energy have different forms such as mechanical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, light energy, heat energy. So these are the different forms of energy. 14th number question. A machine or an engine required to rotate the generator. So a machine or an engine which is required to rotate a generator is known as turbine. Question number 15. Name any two natural gases. So natural gases are LPG and CNG. Compressed natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas. Now 16th number question. Types of power generation stations at Chandrapur. Type of power generation station at Chandrapur. So which type of power generation station is present at Chandrapur? So it is a thermal power generation. Thermal power generation station or a plant is at a Chandrapur. 17th number question. An enzyme obtained from fungi to produce vegetarian cheese. So protease is an enzyme which is obtained from a fungi to produce a vegetarian cheese. Protease. 18th number question. Biodegradable plastic used for storing the garbage. Which is the biodegradable plastic used for storing the garbage? So it is a polylactic acid. Biodegradable plastic is a polylactic acid. So 19th number question is a clean smokeless fuel. Which is a clean smokeless fuel? So the clean smokeless fuel is an ethanol. Question number 20. Question number 20 is vinegar means 4%. Vinegar means 4% dash. So vinegar means 4% acetic acid. 4% acetic acid. 21 number question. Microbes used along with artificial nitrogenase in organic farming is known as azotobacter. Microbes used along with artificial nitrogenase in organic farming known as azotobacter. Study of structure, types and organelles of cell. 22 number question. Study of structure, types and organelles of cell. So if we are going to talk about the cell organelles, then it belongs to cytology. So the correct answer is cytology for 22 number question. Now 23rd number question. Donation of organs such as eyes, heart after death. So the donation of organs such as eyes, heart and heart after death is known as posthumous donation. This condition is also known as a posthumous donation. 24th number question is use of non-genetic biotechnological techniques. Use of non-genetic biotechnological techniques. So the correct answer for this question is tissue culture and production of hybrid seeds. Tissue culture and production of hybrid seeds. 25th number question. Genetically modified crops. 25th number question is genetically modified crops. So which are the genetically modified crops? So the answer is BT cotton, BT brinjal, golden rice, herbicides tolerant plant, etc. So BT cotton, BT brinjal, golden rice, herbicides tolerant plants. This is the correct answer for genetically modified crops. 26th number question. Bacteria that can be used as manure. Which bacteria are used as a manure? So rhizobium, azotobacter, nostoc, anabena. These organisms or the bacteria is used as a manure. So 26 number question we have completed. 27 number question. The number of different types of cell in the human body that are formed from embryonic cell. So how many numbers of different types of cells are present in human body in embryonic cells? So if we are going to consider more than 200, or exactly if we need, then 220. Total 220 cells are there, different types of cells in human body that are formed from an embryonic cells, and they are also known as a stem cells. 28 number question. Organs that can be used for organ transplantation. Organs that can be used for organ transplantations are liver, kidney, heart valves, skin, eyes, pancreas, bones. So the organs which are used as a or used for a organ transplantation are liver, kidney, heart valves, skin, eyes, pancreas, and bones. 29th number question. 29th number question. Cells that are present in the initial development stage of zygote that is formed by the union of male and female gamete. Cells that are present in the initial development stage of zygote that is formed by the union of male and female gamete known as a zygote, because zygote is formed by a union of male and female gamete, and embryonic stem cells are present at the initial stage of development. Means we have to answer over here, cells which unites male and female gametes which unite to form a zygote, which is a first cell after fertilization, and embryonic stem cells are present. Means if you are going to see which cells are present in the initial stage of development, so the embryonic stem cells are present in the initial developmental stages. Next question, 13 number question. Medicinal plant used in making medicines on cough. So the adulsa is a plant, medicinal plant used for making medicine on cough. So 31 number question. Disease endangering social health. Which diseases are endangering the social health? So the answer is AIDS, leprosy, and TB. AIDS, leprosy, TB, etc. 32 number question. Factors disturbing affecting the social health. Which factors affect or disturbs our social health? So most important is mental stress, addiction, or chronic diseases. The factors which are affecting the social health or disturbing the social health are mental stress, addiction, or chronic diseases. So next 33 number question is, name the type of disaster. Disaster and its type. We have to mention the type of disaster. So first, tsunami, volcanic eruption, earthquake. So it is a physical type of disaster. So geological disaster. First one is geological disaster. Second, cyclones, snowstorms, droughts, floods. So it is also a geophysical type of disaster, or a type is atmospheric disaster. Forest fire, weed, fungal disease spreading. This is a biological type of disaster caused in plants. Now, communicable viruses, bacteria, bite of poisonous animal. It is also biological, belongs to animal. Poisonous gases, atomic test, unplanned action, accident. It is man-made and unknown. Again, we are going to repeat the same answer. Tsunami, volcanic eruption, earthquake. It is geophysical, geological. Cyclones, snowstorms, drought, flood. It is geophysical, atmospheric. Forest fire, weed, fungal diseases spreading. So it is biological from plants. Communicable viruses, bacteria, bite of poisonous animal, biologically animals. Poisonous gases, atomic test, unplanned action, accident, man-made, and unknown. So in this video we have totally discussed 33 questions, and in our next video we are going to discuss about relate the following. So we have to show the relation between two different properties or two different conditions. Okay, so thank you friends for watching my video.